TV is a very big medium for every actor, from Shah Rukh Khan to Amitabh Bachchan to just name it. Everybody is on television in today's time. Salman Khan. So yes, why should the heroines lag behind? Everyone should be doing their bit. Like I said, I don't like, to follow the norm, the typical way of doing things. I've never done it. I like to be a little unpredictable. But the only predictability in my case has been that I'm still supporting and encouraging a genre which has been, it's not got its due respect still. It's a genre which is still very experimental, but very exciting. So I'm supporting what I'm good at. I think content is king. हमारा slot 10 बजे का है, शनिवार रविवार, and I think they will have a good dose of all kinds of entertainment on Saturdays and Sundays, and we are coming with something which is very new, which is exciting, thrilling, and these are short films, so it's not that there's going to be any continuation. So you're going to enjoy Saturday, then you're going to enjoy Sunday. So there's not like you have to, even if you miss, you can catch the repeats, but ek flow hum tod nahi rahe hain. So I feel the way we have programmed, and worked on this series, it's going to be exciting because these are, new attempts to change Indian television. So, you can have variety. You can just choose what you like to see. So nobody's saying this is bad or this is bad. When you have variety, that's when you have a choice as a viewer to choose what you want to see. मैं देखती तो बहुत कुछ हूँ, but it's a mix of TV series I like a lot. In Indian TV, reality shows भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. The Voice that they had on ANT-TV was it's stupendous because you're promoting music and talent. So I see a lot of shows, but today I would like to push my show. Yeah. ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी. I think it's content at the end of the day. I think I'm taking the step of starting, and playing a part in webisodes also. The whole concept that I'm doing, another show that I'm doing, the clients, is that. So you want to push boundaries, you want to reach out more people, you are experimenting as an actor because, film सिर्फ 2 घंटे 20 मिनट की होती है. उसमें बहुत सारे characters होते हैं. It's exciting. But to play a role over an arc of like maybe 3 seasons, 12 episodes each, it's very exciting for an actor. क्योंकि फिल्में तो मैंने की है बहुत और करती भी रहूँगी, but it's good to try and experiment, the similar role of acting in different mediums.